main purpose was to go through how to structure a pitch. So it's a pitching workshop, but we also went through bankabilities of a project.
This masterclass is more than just a training session. It is part of a broader national effort to empower you as entrepreneurs with tools, skills, and confidence you need to grow ideas into real functioning businesses.
We are deeply committed to cultivating and promoting local businesses and entrepreneurs. This mission is close to our hearts because when Seychelles entrepreneurs succeed, our whole economy strengthens, and your success is a national success.
The key things are to keep it clear and concise and not to overcomplicate things. I think there are a few key factors that you really need to have in a pitch. You need to ask, what is the problem? What solution do you have to solve it? How are you going to do it? What's your business model? And do you have the team to support that? Today is about aligning projects and policies to what investors actually respond to, because bankability is the single determining factor to whether Seychelles unlocks financing or not. I think the outcome was really good. I felt that everyone was very engaged, and that's always a positive sign. They asked a lot of questions and they made a huge effort when it came to actually preparing the pitches.